SCADE Pro tutorial. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's get started. SCADE Pro is a no-code platform that empowers users to create and deploy AI-driven applications and workflows without extensive programming knowledge. It offers a vast library of AI models and tools enabling seamless integration and automation of various tasks. Visit the SCADE Pro website and log in or create an account. Navigate to the Explore section to browse pre-built templates. These templates serve as starting points for different AI applications and you can easily customize them to fit your needs. Now you are ready to create a new workflow. Go to the Workflow section and click the Create button. You can either start with a blank workflow or import an existing one. In the Workflow Builder, design your workflow by dragging and connecting different nodes, each representing an AI model or tool. Use the polyguide feature to test and compare outputs, refine prompts, and integrate top-performing models into your workflows. The Playground lets you experiment with various AI models. It is a great way to refine your workflows and ensure you are using the best-performing models for your task. By following these steps and utilizing the available resources, you can effectively harness SCADE Pro to develop and deploy powered application tailored to your requirements. That's it.